As a key enabling technology for Industry 4.0, the Turck cloud service is based on highly secure communication software specifically tailored to the performance and scalability requirements of industrial applications. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. All data is transferred directly from Turck's controllers and I/O components to the cloud using fully encrypted communications. Once there, the relevant data can be selected with the click of a mouse, with the cloud user interface managing the data and logically organising it in diagrams and charts. Users can select whether to have their data hosted centrally by Turck or to use the on-premises variant with the Turck cloud software is installed on the user's own servers. There's also an option for a customer cloud with a customised interface that will allow OEMs to offer a cloud service as an option with their machines and their plants. Future developments for Turck cloud solutions include a new range of industrial servers and software enhancements such as self-learning algorithms that will enable predictive maintenance. And you can find out more by calling Turck Australia on 1300 132 566 or online at allthews turck.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.